It seems like we've been hoodwinked a little bit by these positive surveys we've had over the past few months.
Yeah, the surveys have been very encouraging, and so today's GDP numbers are certainly a disappointment. We, like the consensus, we're looking for growth of about 0.4 this quarter, but what we've got, 0.2, shouldn't really be a surprise. It's pretty much what we were expecting if we rewind 3 months. You know, still solid growth in Germany, a flat France, weakness in Italy and Portugal, for example. So, you know, not too surprising, but it does raise some question marks about the value of those surveys. Also, though, you know, if you look at those surveys, it does mean that we're really not looking at a slide into a recession or whatever. We're looking, and we're probably looking at firmer growth in the second quarter of this year.
What are you saying for Q2 and Q3 even?
Yeah, something around 0.3, again, maybe 0.4 each quarter in the second half of the year. So actually, we are looking for growth over the year as a whole around 1%. You know, so when the ECB meets next month, it doesn't really need to revise down very significantly its growth forecast at all. You know, its most recent forecast was not bonkers.
And then when we look at the euro and the way it's reacted, clearly this raises the possibility that we're going to get something from the ECB. The question is what? They've got a lot of options. What's your best guess?
Well, our best guess is that they're going to do some kind of contingent LTRO, so a Bank of England funding for lending scheme type measure. So provide lots of liquidity, but with conditions that those funds are attached to an increase in lending to business, and particularly small businesses. You know, that I think we have to realise that this downside surprise to inflation also does raise and strengthens the case for a further rate cut. You know, we'd be very sympathetic to that, but whether or not some of those members of the Governing Council, particularly the Bundesbank, for example, can be persuaded of that just yet remains to be seen.